Today we will learn about the monsoon climate of India, its seasons, why rains come, and why places differ across the country. Have you noticed how we wear different clothes in summer and winter? And how our food and comfort change with the weather each season? These changes happen because of weather elements such as temperature, air pressure, wind direction and speed, humidity, and precipitation acting together each day. Monsoon means the seasonal change in wind direction, which brings wet and dry seasons to India and nearby regions every year and affects people's daily lives. The monsoon creates a common rhythm across South and Southeast Asia because winds reverse and bring a wet season and a dry season. But India shows strong regional differences in temperature, rainfall, and winds, forming many local types of monsoon climate across the country, each with its own pattern. Temperature varies hugely across India, from very hot summers in the west to cool summers in the northeast hills and very cold winters in the far north. In summer, parts of western Rajasthan can reach 55 degrees Celsius, while Tawang in Arunachal stays around 19 degrees Celsius on the same day sometimes. In winter, Dras in Ladakh can fall to minus 45 degrees Celsius, while coastal cities like Chennai remain near 20 degrees Celsius. Daily temperature range is small on coasts, about 7 to 8 degrees, but huge in the Thar Desert, often 30 to 35 degrees. Higher Himalayan areas get mostly snowfall, while most of India receives rain as liquid precipitation during monsoon months in low and middle altitudes. Places like Cherrapunji and Mawsynram in Meghalaya get over 1080 centimeters of rain yearly, while Jaisalmer gets under 9 centimeters annually. To imagine the contrast, Tura may get a day's rain equal to what Jaisalmer receives in 10 years, showing huge differences between nearby regions. Timing of rains also differs across India. For example, the Ganga Delta and the Odisha coast often get heavy monsoon storms during July and August each year. The Coromandel coast is different. It stays mostly dry during the southwest monsoon and gets most rain in winter months each year instead. Now let's look at what controls India's climate. Several location and relief factors together shape temperature and rainfall patterns across the country. Latitude matters because the Tropic of Cancer cuts through India, placing the south in the tropical zone near the equator, so southern India stays warmer year-round. Northern India lies in the subtropical zone, so it has larger seasonal temperature swings and colder winters than the south, and hotter summers too. The Himalayas shield India by blocking cold Central Asian winds and force moist monsoon air to rise, helping the winds cool and drop heavy rainfall. Distance from the sea changes temperature swings. Coastal cities have small variations, while inland cities show large summer and winter differences clearly. Land heats and cools faster than oceans, so the contrast between India's land and surrounding sea creates pressure differences that drive monsoon winds. Higher places are cooler because temperature falls with height. For example, Agra and Darjeeling show big January temperature differences even though they lie on similar latitudes. Relief or topography affects wind flow and rainfall. Windward slopes like Western Ghats get heavy rain, while leeward areas lie in rain shadows. The monsoon is familiar but complex. Scientists still study it carefully because no single theory explains all its behavior completely even today. Recent research treats the monsoon as a global event and has improved our understanding of how the monsoon begins and why breaks happen. The monsoon begins when land heats strongly, making low pressure. Cooler ocean draws winds which cross the equator, turn by Earth's rotation, and bring moisture. Also, the intertropical convergence zone moves north and the upper atmosphere jet streams change, helping the sudden burst of monsoon rains over India. Typically, the southwest monsoon reaches Kerala around the 1st of June, then Mumbai and Kolkata by mid-June, covering India by mid-July. A break in the monsoon is a temporary dry spell, when rains stop for one or more weeks during the rainy season. In northern India, breaks happen when rain-bearing storms along the monsoon trough become rare or change their usual path for a while, causing dry weather across the plains. On the west coast, breaks occur when winds blow along the coast, not onto it, so they do not rise over the Western Ghats to make rain. So what do we learn? The monsoon is a seasonal wind system that unifies India yet creates regional differences. Remember, weather elements and geographic factors shape this climate. Let us quickly remember, weather elements like temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall shape seasons, while mountains, seas, altitude, and relief shape regional climate. Keep exploring, stay curious, and observe weather around you. Visit EduRev for warm, simple lessons to learn more at your own pace.